Okay, in this video we're going to program a new Volvo 2026 Volvo to a Sommer garage door opener. This particular Sommer is the Sommer Evo Plus. So we're going to program it to the Evo Plus, and there's two parts. There's the carriage. That's what we're going to need to access. And then there is the motor controller, which you don't need to mess with that at all. Now, because this is going to happen real quick, you have about 30 seconds when you press the button on the garage door opener to get in the car and program it. I'm going to get right in the car first. So we have the Homelite buttons 1, 2, 3, because older cars always use 3 for the garage door, and I don't have a gate or another reason to have a remote. I always use button number 3. However, to start off, you press and hold each button for about 3 seconds, and that clears it. Press each button for about 3 seconds. Did you see it flashing there? Then you press all 3 buttons at the same time, and a green light will come up right here, and you just hold all 3 buttons at the same time. Green light will come out, and after about 30 seconds it'll disappear. So, you know, count to 40 if you don't know what 30 seconds is. Or mine only went about 20 seconds. So when the green light, it's a solid round green light, not what you just saw. When it goes away, you're ready to program. Alright, now we got to go to the garage door opener, and then we'll run back in the car and I'll show you what to do. Alright, to gain access to the control board, you go to the back and you press and hold, and the bottom will just drop right down. The cord should hold the front. You can take it off if you want. And then up here in the corner, you will see a button called radio. It's the red one. Alright, you press and hold that, and you'll see the light is on. That red light. And while that red light is on, you can program the car. However, I wanted to make a point here. I took this off because the door is going to move, and I didn't want this to fly off and crash. Alright, so now we run to the car. Because my car is already programmed, I'm going to go out of sequence a little bit here and just show you how to close that back up again. Okay, to close it, you just fit it in the front till it all goes together, and then it'll just click in the back. That's it. Back together. Alright, next, while the red lights on the garage door opener is flashing, you press and hold the button you want to program it to. Press and hold it for about 3 seconds. Release it. You'll see the light going. Then press and hold it again. You'll see the garage door opening, or closing if it was open. Then press and hold it again, and then it should be working just fine. In my case, the door stopped. I pressed it again, the door closed. Now I need to go back and put the lid back on the garage door motor. That's it. All the instructions, if you read all 3, Volvo, Homelite, and Sommer, forget about all that extra crap that's in there. That's how you program your button to open up the door. Thank you for watching.